Welcome back, everyone. I ended up pretty much boxing up my iPhone XS once again, and I want to go ahead and unbox it and give you the impression of what it would be like if you were to buy a brand new iPhone XS and, pretty much what Apple has been doing to diminish the box size. Because if you look at the iPhone 13 box I have here, I mean, even when I press this thing up against like this, look at how much stuff you were getting with the original iPhone XS. When you look at the iPhone 13 box now, it's very slim, and I wouldn't be surprised if they eventually remove the charger as well. Now with the iPhone XS, big box, but it was a really decent phone. It wasn't my favorite, but unboxing it, you can see up top, we normally would get the little standard stuff right here, and then we have the iPhone XS that I've been having for a long time now. But within the box itself, you can see we had the standardized booklet within it. I still have the Apple stickers here, which is so crazy. And it's weird because I've never really gotten the information within here that showcased to me that this was an iPhone XS over any other iPhone. It seems like the pamphlets are just the same. I don't know if they use like an iPhone XR as an example. And actually it looks more like an iPhone 11 here, but this is basically all the information you would get here, which is so cool. Now putting this away, we would normally have the iPhone XS with packaging and everything. Again, this is my older iPhone XS that I just pre-packaged. So again, I have a skin on the back and everything, but typically it would still be here. And here is where we will get the accessories. Now this is a rarity. We do not get this inside of the box of a brand new iPhone. Sometimes if you buy used iPhones, they may throw these in there, but brand new iPhones no longer have these charging bricks, which is pretty crazy. On top of that, we used to have AirPods come into our headphones as well. Now, it makes sense why Apple doesn't do this anymore, mostly because they want people to buy AirPods, but that is pretty crazy that we no longer have these type of headphones. That's honestly pretty wild to me. And we also had the lightning cable, which we still have. This one I think is like a prepackaged one that I've been using, so I'm just going to take this off. But typically we would have some sort of lightning cable as well as the SIM card ejector, which we still have. I don't know why that's at the bottom there. But when I look at these iPhones, right, and I look at the newer ones, it's honestly pretty crazy to me how much stuff is being removed from all these boxes, not only from Apple, but also Samsung as well. I looked at my Samsung Galaxy S10, which came out around the same time within a few months of this device. That stuff, and that phone had a crazy amount of stuff within it, which is crazy. When I look at the iPhone XS right now, I still think this is a really awesome phone. I think mine is actually dead right now, but it's crazy to think that just how crazy this device was when it first came out, how popular it was. I'm sure it was fairly popular, and just seeing how much stuff has been removed from one iPhone to the other. Year after year, it seems like less and less we're getting in the box, but more and more we're spending on the iPhones. So I would love to hear your thoughts on this. I think it's pretty crazy, but that's pretty much an iPhone XS unboxing in 2022. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.